Are you looking for a way to get high return on investment from your existing flip floor screen? Then stopping the material leakages that cost tons of money per year would be the easiest way to achieve it. This can be done by upgrading from older generation flat mat system, which adds some limitations like reduced efficiency due to material leakages, increased cost of running, and increased friction between edges of the mats and the side liners, which eventually leads to wear and tear of the edges of the mats. Thus, Lehmann came with the upgraded U-mat system for the existing machines, which is U-shaped and it's leak-proof. This package is called conversion kit. The many advantages over the older design are there's no material leakages, there is absolutely no friction developed between the edges of the mats and the side liner, and thus the complete leak-proof system gives more return on investment. Your existing machine can be converted by using our Hein Lehmann conversion kits, which has improved side liner design, which facilitates U-mats, top and bottom ledges, and feed and discharge waterproofing PU sheets. This upgraded design gives huge return on investment. So still leaking money? Improve your machine performance with Hein Lehmann's upgraded conversion kits.